call the matter.
State versus Sabia and 4 others, case number CC 67 of 2020.
The court pleases, my lord, Advocate Zibanda and myself appear for the state. Thank you.
This is the court, my lord. My lord, on behalf of accused number 1 and 2, Ramusepele, initial S, as the court pleases, my lord.
Thank you.
May it please the court, my lord, Advocate Mufoko standing in for Advocate Munisi on behalf of accused number 3.
May it please the court, my lord, for the record, I'm Zat Ngumado. I appear for accused number 4. Thank you.
As it pleases the court, my lord, Advocate Zet Mshalolo on behalf of accused number 5. The court, please.
Thank you. Yeah. Firstly, I would like to apologize for this matter to start late. Do you have anything to? Okay. I want to apologize. The matter should have started early. But the period that we had earlier, I had a meeting with the legal representatives of all the accused who had to consider what we discussed and to take instructions so that this matter should proceed and be finalized as soon as possible. The reason, yes.
Manje inkantolo okokuqala ithanda ukuxolisa ukuthi sithathe isikhathi angoba icala bazochubeka ngoba lingene namhlanje. Kanti-ke inkantolo yasho-ke okanye ujaji yasho ukuthi sike saba nomhlangano okhona mayelana-ke nabameli babamangalelwa ngasese mayelana nokuthi-ke leli cala lizochubeka kanjani.
The reason why I'm appearing today is because my colleague, Judge Maumela, is not available due to ill health and may not be available for a long time, subject to what his medical doctors may say.
Manje-ke esona sizathu-ke esenza ukuthi ngivele la enkantolo ukuthi-ke ngizonanzilisana ukuthi lo engisebenza naye ngamanye amazwi uJudge Maumela akekho namhlanje akaphilile futhi kubonakala bangathi-ke kuyothatha isikhathi eloko engaphilile nje kahle ukuqhubeka ngaleli cala.
However, because of the importance of this matter and the publicity that it is getting from the media, we have made arrangements that this matter should proceed in the third term so that it can be finalized as soon as possible.
Manje ngenxa-ke yokuthi leli cala liyaphuthuma futhi-ke icala okuyilona-ke ukuthi abantu bey'ndaba-ke babhekene nalo liyasakazwa ngamanye amazwi-ke ukuzama ukusheshisa-ke ukuthi liqhubeke leli cala kwamele ukuthi lizophinde lingene okanye liculwe kuletheni lesithathu.
For that reason, the matter is not going to proceed today. It was scheduled to proceed from today, I think, until about Thursday. Yeah.
Ngaleso sizathu-ke icala ngeke likwazi ukuthi liqhubeke namhlanje. Kwahloswe okanye la libekelwe ukuthi liqhubeke ukusuka namhlanje ukufika ngolesine.
The witnesses will be excused. The state indicated that it's not necessary for me to warn those witnesses to appear on the date on which this matter will be postponed to.
Manje ofakazi abakhona la enkantolo bona bangavele bayihambele. Umbuso-ke okanye umshushisi uyitshelile inkantolo-ke ukuthi asikho-ke isidingo sokuthi ofakazi baxwayiswe ukuthi bavelele la enkantolo mhlawumbe ngalelo suku-ke icala lizobe lihlikiselwe kulo.
And I think that same applies to the defense witnesses. Is there any witness that of the defense that would like me to warn?
None, my lord.
None, my lord. There were no witnesses. Thank you.
None, my lord.
Thank you very much. May all the accused stand up. Your matter is postponed to the 17th of July. The trial will proceed from that date. It may proceed for the whole term, for the whole of the third term.
Manje icala lihliselwa emuva ke ukufika nge-17 July 2023 kanti ke ngoba ke inkantolo isishilo ukuthi leli cala ke liyoqhubeka ke kule term yesithathu futhi libekelwe ke ukuthi ukusuka nge-17 kaJuly liqhubeke lithathe yonke leyo term yesithathu.
And the accused will remain in custody. And I can just add that the leadership of this court and the legal representatives are making arrangements so that this matter, the trial, should proceed on the 17th of July. Do you understand, accused?
Yes, understood, my lord.
Mr. Baloi, anything that you wish me to record before I adjourn?
Nothing, my lord. We confirm what the court has said.
Thank you.
My lord, we do confirm what the court has said, as the court pleases.
The court, please, my lord, we do confirm.
Thank you, my lord. I confirm the dates. Thank you.
I confirm, my lord, the arrangement is in order.
Thank you very much. Court adjourns.
This week, the judge is not available because of health reasons. So we're going to sit down and see how we can proceed. He might not be available to continue with the case because of health reasons. So we're going to sit down and plan on the way forward. So for now, we're going to negotiate and we'll reconvene. It's difficult to say what time we're going to reconvene. Yeah, but you just have to hang out.